Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain a little about user interface. Okay, open Photoshop on my Windows, and this is welcome screen of Photoshop. You can show the suggestions if you want. If you want to edit an image, you can drag and drop an image in this window or select one from your computer to get started. You can go into learn your file or other things here, but most important is in new file. If you click a new file, you can choose your artboard dimensions, the recent, save, for photo, for print. As you can see, we have art and illustration, web, mobile, and film or video. Okay, for example, full HD. Here you can specify the settings of that. We'll explain all of these settings and hit OK, and you're going to the artwork of yourself to editing. And we have tabs if you already open another artboard or page to work. All of these tools are main tool of the Photoshop. I will be explain all of them in detail one by one. If you select any tools, its main and important settings will be appear here. You can choose it. Okay, as you can see, when you click on any tool, its settings appear here. But if you click on any object, its properties will appear in these windows. And here we have a layer manager. It's the most important part of the Photoshop, and all of the tools here for masking, adding effects and anything here. We have all tabs here, and here you can change the color, and you can choose for changing the workspace for 3D, graphic, web, or motion. For example, you can create a GIF with Photoshop, painting, and photography. We have a lots of menu here with the important tools on them. I will be explaining them one by one in detail, and that's it. So stay tuned with us to more tutorial in detail. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.